While we see kids coming from very, very low class families with no income levels, with nobody to help them, to assist them, either with money or by consultancy or advice, grow into big personalities. And their names are not hidden. We all know them so well. On the contrary, there are star kids, innumerable star kids who are not doing anything in life despite their parents' wherewithal and big support. The latest being, you know, who they are indulging in drug, wine, and girlfriends, ayashis, and whatnot. In common man's life and families, some children who are given all support, they fail to make a mark even at a lowest level. What is this psychology? What is this? Have you ever thought about it? That on one hand, people grow from miseries to the highest level, they struggle so much. On the other hand, everything is there, but they make the parents feel miserable and in pain because they are unable to do even the basic minimum in life. I, being a researcher and consultant, I have observed many children leaving the best and drowning into the worst. There was a boy who was very handsome, had very good musical talent in him. He was a very good professional, and his parents were well to do, very supportive in all, in all the ways, in all the aspects. Very, very cool, nice home this fellow had. But he went to Mumbai saying that yes, he will try his luck there in the music industry. And his mother stood by him, virtually pushing him into everything he could do. But as the time passed, this boy did not do anything whatsoever. He preferred doing things on his own, made lot of good things, but he did not want to connect with the Bollywood world at all. His mother, who was very, very good in connecting, she would take him along at several such contacts which could have given him a break. But everything fizzled out because only the wind would touch him while the mother was throwing storm against him to go ahead. Finally, this boy changed the location and did not do things which he could have done with so much of backing. And this is what I want to know from all of you, that many of the parents are struggling with their children, and the children just go out. Some of them are, you know, pranksters. They use parents' money and push and enjoy and do nothing. While there are others who are not the type, bad children, but they just cannot do things as per the mark. They just quietly withdraw from the scene. Maybe the hectic scene. Maybe they feel internally low, insecure, incompetent to be part of